Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha. There are so many people who want to lose weight from their abs as well as from the sides of your body, which we can say they want to have slim waist and flat abs, but they cannot take out specific time for their yoga practice. Hence, today I am sharing with you 10 minutes of yogic capsule. I would not say it a workout because I always say yoga is a work in and not work out. And when you work in, your outer part, your outer body becomes healthy itself. So it is a 10 minutes of capsule which you can practice every day in the morning when you wake up. Just go for the stool discharge, and just after that you can practice this 10 minutes of yogic capsule to have flat abs and to have slim waist. Have a look. Practice these kriyas for 10 minutes with me. Let's begin with Tiryak. Just stretch your body upward while inhaling, twist, exhale and back. Twist, inhale, exhale and back. So we need to practice this for 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. And make sure that during this practice, do not leave your body loose. That is very, very important. There should be no jerk. Your movement should be very, very smooth and synchronized. Don't perform it in hurry. Complete movement for 60 seconds, and then after completing the practice for 1 minute, we give it a pause, and then gradually we bring our hands down while exhaling. Keep practicing it, and then bring your hands down, relax. Now relax for 10 seconds. Relax. Mrinal, which means lotus. So inhale, lift up your arms, stretch your body upward. Inhale more, bend, exhale and back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And this is going to shed that extra weight from the sides of your body which you really want to lose, which you really want to get shed down. Again, movement should be synchronized, no jerk should be there, and we will be practicing it for next 60 seconds, which means for next 1 minute. Keep practicing. Feel the effect at the sides of your body. Complete movement should be there. Make sure your feet is together. Your knees are straight. Do not bend your knees. Do not leave your arms loose during this practice. Keep practicing. And gradually bring your arms down. Again, we are going to relax for 10 seconds. This relaxation of 10 seconds after each 1 minute practice is very, very important. Skand. Stand straight, feet together, spread your arms, palms facing towards each other. Inhale and twist, exhale and back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Make sure your body is not loose at any point of the time, and also make sure that there is no jerk during the practice. Practice should be very smooth. We're going to practice it for next 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Twist, back, twist, back. So this is going to give you slim waist and of course flat abs. Keep practicing for complete 1 minute. Be aware of your breath and be aware of the movement and its effect at your waist and abdomen. After practicing it for 60 seconds, bring your arms down, relax your body. Again, 10 seconds of relaxation. Cone. Spread your legs, spread your arms. Inhale, bend, exhale, back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. These are very easy practices. Again, we're going to practice it for 60 seconds. These are very easy practices which you are practicing to lose weight from your waist and your abdomen, and everyone can do it easily. The only thing which you need to take care of is that there should be no jerk, there should be no hurry. Movement should be smooth, slow, and synchronized. But continuous movement is there. We are just giving 10 seconds pause after each practice, and it is a complete 10 minutes of abhyas which you need to practice continuously. Keep practicing while watching this video. Bend and back. And then bring your arms down. Again, 10 seconds of relaxation, which is very, very important. Trikon. Spread your legs. Spread your arms. Exhale, back. Exhale, inhale. Exhale and bend forward. Inhale and back. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Now, during this practice, if your body is very stiff, you might feel that you're not able to bend forward and you're not able to touch your opposite feet. In that case, you can bend your knee during initial days of practice, but try to practice it with your straight knee, which is very, very important. But initially, you can bend your knee and focus on the effect at your abdomen. When you bend forward, you might feel stretch at your hamstring muscles also, that is back of your thighs, but you need to focus on your abdomen, contraction of your abdomen when you bend forward and expansion when you come back to the base position. So we practice it for 60 seconds, then bring your arms down and relax. Again, relax for 10 seconds. Udar Sudaul Gati. First step, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So while inhaling, lift up your leg and try to touch your knee to your elbow. While exhaling, take it back. Complete twist movement is also there and bent movement is also there. Now we practice it from another leg. 60 seconds of continuous practice without break is very, very important if you want to lose weight from your abdomen and from your waist. Follow the video and be aware of your breath as well. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. But be balanced while practicing it. Bring your arms down, relax. Again, relaxation for 10 seconds. Udar Sudaul Gati, second step. This is for your abdomen, the side fat, which a lot of people want to reduce that side fat. Look at the movement. Make sure you don't perform it in hurry. Be balanced while practicing it. Movement should be synchronized. Practice it for next 60 seconds, which means 1 minute. Complete 1 minute of movement. Gati means movement. So all the practices which you are performing today are Gati because they are movements to reduce weight from a specific part of your body. 60 seconds of practice of Udar Sudaul Gati. And then bring your arms down, relax. Again, 10 seconds of relaxation. Paad Hasta Gati. Stand straight. While inhaling, lift up your leg and try to touch your toe to your hand. Hand should be at the level of your shoulder. So you need to bring your leg up and not to take your hand down. Practice it from your right leg, maintain the balance, and then practice it from your left leg. So we are doing repetition for 60 seconds continuous, that is 1 minute. In the initial days of practice, you might feel little stiffness in your body after practicing it, but after 4 to 5 days of practice, that stiffness will go away because we're coming out of our comfort zone. As it is said, there is no gain without pain, but that would not be a pain, but yes, a little bit of stiffness and heaviness you might feel, but that is absolutely okay. The only thing is be very comfortable while practicing these kriyas. Complete 60 seconds of repetitions, and movement should be equal from both sides, which is very, very important. So 10 counts with right leg, then 10 counts with left leg. Relax. Again, 10 seconds of relaxation. Paad Hasta Gati 2. For the second step, spread your legs. Exhale, bend forward, inhale and back. Very simple. Specifically for this Gati, if there is anyone who is suffering from severe lower back pain, they can skip this practice. Otherwise, all practices can be done by everyone easily. But remember, yoga maza hai, saza nahi hai. Yoga is not a punishment. So don't push yourself too hard to reach to a specific position. Do as much as comfortable, do as much as convenient to you. If you feel pain at any point of the practice, feel free to skip your practice. Exhale, inhale. So keep practicing for 60 seconds with this video. 60 seconds of continuous movement, and results will be amazing. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and then relax. Again, relax for 10 seconds. Agnisar Kriya. For Agnisar Kriya, spread your legs, leave your abdomen loose, come in this position, exhale, hold your exhalation outside and give in and out movement to your stomach as shown in the video. जैसे हम कपड़ा झाड़ते हैं, वैसा movement हम इस गति में अपने पेट को देते हैं. Again, we need to practice it for 60 seconds, but it is like as long as you can hold your exhalation, you can do the movement. Then you stand straight. When you feel you're not able to hold it anymore, stand straight. Relax your abdomen, inhale, and then repeat it.